Big
Hey
Bad
y'all, my name is
John.
John Mitchell and I'm a certified financial coach. The purpose of this video and this channel is to teach you how to master the personal finance basics. In today's video, we're going to be discussing how to set up a Trump account and then even track some of its performance into the future. So what are Trump accounts? As you can see here, I've pulled up Gemini to help give us a quick synopsis of some of the highlights, and then we'll go ahead and jump into how to set up the account and then the math for how it would perform over time. So as we can see here, it was established under the One Big Beautiful Bill in 2025, and then it all went active. The Trump accounts, that is, went active July 4th, 2026. So essentially, you need to be a U.S. citizen, under 18, and have a social security number. For the $1,000, for all of you who are wondering about that free $1,000, it only applies if you are born between January 1st, 2025, and December 31st, 2028. Other than that, you do not get that free $1,000. There are contribution limits for this. It is $5,000 per year, which can be contributed by anybody, family, friends, your boss, employers, all that good stuff. And then the parents are the ones who keep track of the account while it is growing for their child. Now, if you're wondering what to invest into, if you're looking for more tips on this, I have a video that you can see up here now, a little series where I did shorts on how to create a Trump account. If you're looking for some more stuff there, but essentially it's invested into the S&P 500 by virtue of the ETF SPYM. That's the major one for the $1,000 at least. I know there's more options if you put in other money, and then we'll kind of go through those in a minute. Now that we know a little bit about a Trump account, let's go ahead and find out how to set one up. So we're going to scroll down here to the trumpaccounts.gov. Dream starts here, all the good stuff. So this is the page we get put onto. In my opinion, it's easier to do this on your phone than it is on the computer. But that's how I did it, was through the phone. I found the computer to be a little clunky for it, and it even pushes you to do that. So what you do is you'll go to the App Store and download the app, and from there it'll prompt you to put in your email, create a username and password, and then you need to put in all of your personal information to set up this account. This includes things like you, the parent's social security number, full name, address, phone number, and then for your child, it also requires their full name, social security number, again, the address, assuming they reside with you, and then some more personal information to help finish setting up the account. When the account is done, you'll get an email from the Treasury saying that your account was created. For the $1,000 specifically, once you enter your child's information into the account setup, it'll automatically see what your child's birth date is and basically tell you if you qualify or not for the $1,000. From there, you'll have up to 4 weeks from the time your account is created to receive that $1,000 into the account. I think I had to wait for like a week, maybe two max, for my son to get his money. And yeah, that's pretty much how you set up a Trump account. Like and subscribe to this video as it helps me see what content you all like and want to see in the future. One of my favorite features about having the Trump account specifically is that it shows you how much money that $1,000 or however much your contributions are can grow to until the child reaches age 18, and then when the child reaches age 60. I think it's a pretty neat feature. So what I have in front of you today is the Ramsey Investment Calculator, because it's an easy way to just show you how money will grow over time. So if we take that seed money of $1,000, again, from, I think, Mr. Dell. So thank you, Mr. Dell, for that free money. That was very generous of you. Let's say we contribute nothing to it. Let's see how it looks in 18 years with a rate of return. We'll do 10%. I think 11 is a little generous. So we're going to do 10 and see what happens. So that investment by age 18 could be $6,000. Again, this is in the Trump account, which, for a good comparison, I think I forgot to mention this earlier. It's like a traditional retirement account for reference. So there's no tax for the money going in, but when you pull the money out later down the road, there are potential to pay taxes. Now let's see what this would look like if they wanted to retire at 59.5. We'll go round up to 60. At age 60, this could be approximately $393,515 with putting zero additional money on top of this. If we wanted to look at how much this would be, with like how much money my wife and I are contributing to my kid, I think monthly I think it's about $150 a month that we invest for our kid. And again, we do this into the UTMA. If you want to learn more about that, you can find his stock updates. I'll have them linked at the very end of this video for you to check out there. But let's say we do the $150 a month, years to grow until age 60 with a 10% rate of return. Calculate that. look, $7 million. And again, that is a 150. So I'm not going to do that when he turns 18. He's going to have to pick that up on his own. But it's amazing to see with just a little seed money and some small monthly contributions. Let's see what this looks like at 18. A little more realistic, since I'll be discontinuing that after. He'll be just shy of $100,000 invested for him. Now, in his case, my son's case, this will be between his Trump account and his UTMA account. But let's say you just did the Trump account. This is how much money you could have with just $150 a month contribution with that free $1,000 if you start today. So pretty cool stuff. I hope you got something out of today's video. What I wanted to show you was how to set up a Trump account. I know it's not like super nitty gritty. It's hard when you have to enter so much personal information to kind of walk you through all of doing that. Like I said earlier, if you want to see more details, I have a playlist at the end of this video that will kind of give you the real-time me setting up the Trump account and not just me kind of telling you about it. Again, since you have to enter so much information. But I hope you learned how to do that today. And also, I wanted you to see how well that money could grow over time. And that's why we were looking at the Dave Ramsey calculator, so that you can see what $1,000 would look like in 18 and 60 years. Again, assume your child's, zero-ish today. But also what that could look like with monthly investments from you and or your child into the future. And as you can see here, it doesn't take a lot to do really, really, really well into the future. So if you're looking for a financial coach to help you set up your child or even yours future so that you do well and prosper, sign up for a free appointment today within the description or in the comment section down below. I love each every one of you, and I'll see y'all in the next video.